إن الحمد لله ونصلي على رسول الله وعلى آله وأزواجه وصحابه وأحبابه إلى يوم الدين أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Hello everyone. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Shahriar from class 10. I am honored to be standing here in front of you today and describe about the importance of madrasa education. As you know that madrasa education is based on the Holy Quran. The co-curriculum of this education is a combination of human knowledge and divine knowledge. This education policy is perfect to make an ideal person. An ideal person is an asset of a society as well as a country. Madrasa education teaches us what is our duty in family and society. However, certificate is just piece of paper, but more education is not limited particular paper. According to this perspective, Alokito Ideal Alim Madrasa is going to such kind of criteria, and I am feeling great to be part of the institution. No more today. I will discuss this matter next time, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum, everyone.